Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Wonky, and we're back with some more Batman Arkham Origins. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and if you guys have any other games that you want to see me play, just let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I hope you guys have a God bless day. Love y'all. Peace.
Batman, I've been running a simulation on the damage Ivy's plants will do if they reach Gotham.
They won't get that far. My antidote will stop them and Ivy.
I hope you're right. I'm here if you need me.
Oracle, we've got another problem.
What now? Two-Face? Riddler? Some kind of giant Joker robot?
Unfortunately, nothing that simple. I'm at the main sewer junction, and it appears to be polluted with Titan. Why? What's he doing now?
I'll look into it.
The Titan water seems to be corrosive, but it shouldn't trouble the suit. What have you found out?
I'm not sure you're ready for this.
No, but go ahead.
Joker's pumping all the waste product from the Titan process into that chamber. It acts as a kind of natural storage tank. Once it's full, it releases the water into the Gotham River. Normally, it's safe,
But this time it's full of Titan. How do I stop it?
I'm working on it.
This area's falling apart. It's not safe to use the grapple. I need to climb up, the old-fashioned way.
According to the plans I have on file, there are 3 control rooms. The first is directly above you.
I'll shut them all down.
What will happen if this Titan stuff reaches Gotham?
It won't reach Gotham.
Get a move on! Not to. I want it done now! You heard him. You done yet?
Yeah, we're at full power. Pumping out calories.
No.
Everyone knows. Don't you talk about her. I'll kill you, you understand?
Joker says this stuff don't do nothing bad.
You can't believe a word he says. You seen what that Titan does to people? You okay, buddy? Jeez!
Can you hear me? For the love of... I suppose that's you in there, Bat. Well, enjoy. While you can, these caves are
Heard him? Shoot to kill! I'd never do anything else. That's not what I heard. What are you talking about? It's the bat!
He's down there with you, making you all look like fools.
When I see Batman, he's going down. He'll die in his cave. Come on, Bat. You like caves. Stick here so I can blow it off.
Hey, get off me! Ah! Hey, get off me! Oh, come on! Come down! Kill the bat! What are you doing? What's going on? Shut up and keep looking! We'll come back when the bat is dead! Hold up! I'm coming with you! Oh God! I found someone! Over here! You as well? How's he doing this? Leave him here! Run out and find that bat!
Hey, Max. I know you can hear me. I want you to hurt. They're nothing to me.
Man down! Man down! What the?
I said I wanted the bat stopped. Did no one listen? It's like you don't want an outbreak of Titan-enhanced mutant babies climbing over Gotham.
That's the first bug disabled.
Great. Only 2 more to find.
What are we doing here? Joker, it's the bat!
You do not listen to me. I said stop him, but you let him through. Try harder, or I'll hurt you.
Then what? Held him upside down and beat the crap out of him. The guy was a mess.
He's making you look stupid. Believe it or not, but it is not why I put you down there. You're trying to shut down the power. Do not let him. Is that clear? You want me to send Harley? Oh, damn. She's locked up until you
Oracle. That's the second pump shut off.
Just one more to go.
That's pump 3 disabled. I'm going to head back up to the surface and track down Ivy.
Get in touch if you need anything.
I know you're down there, Bats, ruining my plans. Well, stay where you are. I'm sending down a token of my displeasure. Oh gosh, I hope it doesn't hurt you too badly.
Ivy's getting stronger. I need to stop her now.
I think she's still in the gardens where you left her, but she'll be in control of it now. You'll be walking into a trap.
That's what she thinks.
This island belongs to me now. What do you think you can do, Batman? I am everywhere. My babies know your every move. You and your kind are arrogant enough to think you can destroy us. You will fail, and we will become the most powerful force on the planet. You will pay, Batman, for hurting my babies.
Oh, God. Did she ever stop going on about those plasters?
When I finish with Batman, I'll be coming after you, Joker.
Will you really? Oh, that's gratitude, is it? Women. You give them presents, experimental chemicals, nice costumes, and they still turn on you. Well, good luck to you, toots. I got an army, a city-sized dose of Titan. Come and find me when you're done with that ring. Oh, it'll be fun. You can bring the wine. I'll make the salad.
So you're here at last. Do you like what I've done with the place? My babies are growing, Batman. Come and see. I'll kill you for that, Batman! Stop it! More food for my planet. They've done nothing to you! Are you ready for me? Do you think you can handle me? I'm waiting in here. Come to me. Are you scared, Batman? You should be. You're only a man. I've got myself a little security, Batman. They'll just die if anything happens to me.
I won't let you destroy it, Batman.
I told you to go to your cell.
I was a fool. I thought the plants were in pain. Now I realize they were evolving, growing stronger. And now we'll grow together.
My plans will tear you and your precious Gotham to shreds. I am stronger than you, little man. Don't, please! Save me from the evil bats! He's trying to hurt me. My plans will tear you and your precious Gotham to shreds. Save me from the evil bats! Give in to a more powerful force, Batman. tried to hurt me.
Everyone, music, dancing, chemicals that create monsters. You don't want to miss it. So get your ass over to the cell block or you'll miss your final surprise.
Guest list only. If your name's not on the list, you ain't going in. Let's see, A, no, that's not right. B, Bane. Ah, here it is, Batman. Hey, looks like you're the guest of honor. Give him a big welcome, guys!
Do it! Yeah! Do it! Baby! Yeah! Way to go! Yeah! 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 Do it! Yeah! Do it! Yeah!
Are you excited, Bats? I mean, we've been building up to this point all night. Don't tell me you've not been looking forward to it. I know I have. Surprise! Everyone always said I should be in television. You don't want to miss this, really. It'll be a blast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why didn't you stop Batman? Me? It was your plan, you goofy clown. Ah, I'm sending you back to the ventriloquist where you belong. You had to spoil everything, didn't you? Beating up Bane, feeding Scarecrow to Croc, slapping around Harley, my hobby, by the way, and ruining all my lovely venom plants.
It's over, Joker.
Over? Why, my dear delusional Dark Knight, it hasn't even begun. Nicely done, Bats. You deserve a prize. Your old pal, Commissioner Gordon. Say, he looks all run down. Let's pep him up.
No! Batman! Get away!
Here we go. We're gonna have some fun now, kiddies. You're trying to resist the change. That's not fair. Come on, give in. So, you want to play hardball, Bats, do you? Your call. Pickle, pickle. No! Oh, you're ruining my big night. Months of planning down the crapper. I just wanted to bring down your grim facade and for once let you see the world as I see it, giggling in a corner and bleeding. But you've denied me even that. I have nothing to live for.
Arkham Asylum remains under lockdown, its staff at the mercy of the rampaging inmates. Just 10 minutes ago, we received this taped message.
Greetings, Gotham! Joker here! Arkham is mine! Soon I'll unleash madness untold onto the streets of Gotham. But first, direct your eyes to the rooftops and witness the final destruction of your dear Dark Knight.
We've been circling the tower since the... Wait! There! Joker is making his move!
Showtime, Batman! Let's give the room something to talk about! Ha! Two freaks in a fight to the death! And for one night only, please welcome our special guest referee, come on! Change! Get crazy! It's the only way to beat me! You know you want to.
Never.
You wasted the antidote on yourself? Now that's funny! Hysterical! But you still spoil my fun, and for that, I'll paint Arkham with your blood. Let's get ready to tango! I'll rip you apart for all Gotham to see! Excuse me, Bats. In you come, boys. I've softened them up for you. Here it comes. So, Mr. Referee, how was that round? God, he does. This'll hurt. People of Gotham, Enjoy your evening! Will be your last! Give him a kicking for me, boys! I'm bored of it. I think it's a unanimous decision. I am the greatest! More helicopters? How exciting! Get off! Come in, boys! Knock him about a bit! I've got a city to address. I'll give you something for the morning news, Gotham. What are you doing? When I get out of this, I'm going to rip your... Gimme a dead shot, bats! You'll lose, and everyone will see. That looks like it hurt, bats. Why not, bats? My people need. In you come, boys! Tear 'em a new one for me! Mind your head, bats! So, Mr. Referee, how was that round? What? He got... Jack Ryder! Can you hear me? I've got a message for all my adoring fans in Gotham. This won't stop me! You'll die for this, bats! Bring it on! Think you can beat me? Don't make me laugh! Hey, where you go? Back in a second. Bats! You bore me, bats. Take care of them, boys. Look out! I think it's unanimous decision. I am the greatest! You hit like an old man! Here it comes! I can take it. I can take anything you throw at me, bats. You can't beat me. I'm actually going to win. Ready for the next round?
Always.
What?
I'll never let you win. Never.
No!
I was so worried.
I'm fine, Barbara. The GCPD finally has control of the asylum. Doctors are treating the injured, but it looks like it'll take some time. All super criminals are back in custody. Quite a mess in there. And the venom-enhanced inmates are returning to normal. Though for some, the process can be quite painful.
Dad, how are you doing?
I'll survive. See you tonight, Barbara. Shame about your car. Can I give you a ride?
Thanks, Jim, but I have one on the way.
Get some rest. You deserve it.
Second National Bank was just robbed by Harvey Dent, a.k.a. Two.
Stay safe, Jim.
2 officers down. The suspect is fleeing in their patrol car.
Alright guys, we did it. I hope you guys did enjoy this series, and if you did, please make sure to sub and like, and as always, have a God bless day. Love you guys. Peace.